Good afternoon, everybody. Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be looking at Windows version 1903, which was just released in the past couple days. I've been running this for quite a while now, as I've been on the Windows Insider program. So we're going to take a look at it, show you guys some of the features that are new, and give you my take on whether or not you should upgrade and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and pull up settings here, because that is where we're going to find most of the new features. So if we go over here to personalization, wherever I just saw that right here, one of the new things is the themes and the colors. More so the colors. I don't know why I said themes. So we have an option now to do a light theme, a dark theme, or a custom theme. So if you drop it down into custom, what that gives you the ability to do is choose your window mode. So you can do dark or light, and then choose your app mode, dark or light. So you can now separate those between the two. So if we do dark, it's going to put everything in dark mode. You can see here I did the taskbar and the window, and if you do light, it does everything in light. Or if you do custom, you can choose, which one you want between the two. So that is one of the new features. There are some other new features as well in 1903. As you can see here, the new background, we get a brighter background, which I like. I'm glad that they changed it up. We had the default Windows flag background for a while now. So there's that. There's some improvements over here in the start menu and with the search menu and all that kind of stuff. So mainly just some UI improvements, some under the hood improvements and stuff like that. It looks a lot better. I like the way it looks, and I think it's been performing very well. Like I said, I've been running this on the Insider build for a while, and I haven't had any real issues that I can remember with it. So I would definitely say go ahead and upgrade. If you haven't gotten the upgrade yet, you can always go to, if you just type in Windows Update, if you just Google that, you can go to right here, and you can download the update yourself. So you can either open Windows Update, or you can go down here to the wrong link. Let's see, let me find the other one. Click right here, and there is a section usually Windows Update Assistant is where you're going to want to go. So if you go to the Windows 10 Update Assistant, you can download the Update Assistant, and that will manually check for an update and download anything that is available. I would definitely recommend this upgrade. Everything has been performing well, and I haven't seen any major bugs or anything like that. This has been Colin with Techout. This is Windows version 1903. It is May 23rd, 2019. As always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.